Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to visit an ice cream shop. You will hear a simple story between two friends, Toni and Diana, and a shop staff member. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Just relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What is the real secret of this ice cream shop? The answer is in the story. Try to listen and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English faster. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Wow, it is really hot today.
Yes, it is. The sun is very strong. I am a little tired from walking.
Me too. We need to find shade. I want something cold.
Something sweet and cold would be perfect.
Oh, look at that shop over there.
Where? I don't see it yet.
Right there, behind the big tree.
Oh, I see it now. It is so colorful. Is that an ice cream shop?
Yes, I think so. It looks like a giant cupcake. I heard a secret about this place.
A secret? What kind of secret?
They have a flavor that changes color.
No way, really?
Let's find out. Come on.
Wait for me, Toni. It looks very cute up close.
The pink and white are so bright.
Look at the windows. I see so many buckets.
Wow, there are so many colors inside.
It looks delicious already.
Do you want to go in?
Yes, I really want to. I am a little hungry too.
Ice cream is perfect for a hot day like today.
Yes, it is the best idea ever.
Let's go in together. Okay, after you, Diana.
Thank you, Toni. You are so kind.
Wait, look at the small sign on the door.
Oh, it says, "Welcome. Please come in and smile."
That is very kind. I like this shop already.
Me too. I have a good feeling about this.
Wow, it is so cool inside. It feels nice.
Yes, I love it. The air is so fresh.
I was so hot outside. Now I feel much better.
And look at the menu on the wall.
Let's see. Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
The basic ones are always good.
Yes, I also see mint, coffee, and fruit flavors.
Oh, there is mango too, and peach.
That sounds really nice. Which one do you like, Diana?
I usually like strawberry. I love strawberry desserts.
That sounds just like you.
What about you, Toni? Which flavor do you like?
I often choose chocolate. It is my favorite.
Chocolate is a good choice. It is rich.
Yes, but today I want to try something new.
Oh, really? Something special?
Maybe. Let's go look at the buckets now.
Good idea. Let's see them up close.
Look at this one. It is called cookies and cream.
Oh, that looks good. It has small pieces of cookies.
And this one is green tea. It looks very bright.
That is interesting. My mother loves that flavor.
It is hard to choose. They all look good.
I'm looking at strawberry, but mango looks nice too.
Look at the colors. Pink, yellow, brown, green.
Yes, it is like a rainbow of ice cream.
This shop has a lot of choices. It is fun to choose.
Yes, very hard but very fun.
Okay, I think I will try the cookies and cream.
Nice, I will get strawberry. I really love pink.
Good choice. Now, what size should we get?
Let's see, there is small, medium, and large.
Small is 1 scoop. Medium is 2. Large is 3.
3 scoops is a lot. I cannot eat that much.
Yes, 3 is too much for me too.
I will get a small one. 1 scoop is enough.
Really? Not medium? You like sweets.
No, small is fine. I had a big lunch today.
I see. I am thinking about medium. 2 flavors.
2 flavors in 1 cup? That sounds fun.
Yes, cookies and cream and chocolate together.
Oh, that is a good idea. 2 nice flavors.
Let's see. The small is $3 and the medium is $5.
That is a fair price for fresh ice cream.
Hi, welcome to our shop. How can I help you?
Hi, we would like to order, please.
Sure, no problem. What would you like first?
First, 1 small cone, please. Strawberry.
1 small cone strawberry. Got it. Any toppings?
No toppings, just the ice cream, please.
Okay, a simple strawberry cone. That sounds nice.
Yes, it is my favorite flavor in the world.
Great choice. And what about you?
For me, 1 medium cup, please.
A medium cup. What flavors would you like?
2 flavors. Cookies and cream and chocolate.
Cookies and cream and chocolate. 2 great flavors.
Yes, I love chocolate. I eat it every week.
Me too. It is my favorite flavor to eat at home. Any toppings for you, sir?
Yes, nuts on top, please.
Just nuts? No chocolate sauce?
No sauce. I think chocolate and nuts are enough.
Good choice. Nuts are great with chocolate. Okay, let me check your order. 1 small strawberry cone
Yes, that is right. No toppings for me.
and 1 medium cup. Cookies and cream and chocolate with nuts.
Yes, that is correct. Exactly what I want. Here is $5 for the medium cup.
And here is the money for my cone.
Thank you. Great. Please wait 1 moment. I will make your ice cream perfect now.
Tony, look at these small spoons. They are blue.
We need napkins. 1 for you and 1 for me. Actually, let's take 3, just in case.
Do you need a lid for your cup, Tony?
No lid. I want to eat it right now.
This shop is very clean. Everything is so neat.
Look at the long straws. They are for milkshakes.
Maybe next time we can try a milkshake.
Oh, we are number 25. The numbers change fast.
She is very fast. She made 10 cones already.
Yes, there are many people here today.
Now there are 6 people in line. It's getting busy.
We only waited for 3 minutes. That is fast.
Look at those big red cherries. They look fancy.
1 cherry is 50 cents. That is interesting.
Number 25. Your order is ready.
That is us. Let's go get it.
Here is your strawberry cone. Be careful, it is cold.
Wow, it looks great. Thank you very much.
And here is your medium cup. Cookies, chocolate, and nuts.
Thank you so much. It looks amazing.
Enjoy your ice cream. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Where should we sit? There is a table by the window.
Let's sit there. We can see the street.
This seat is perfect. It is very comfortable.
Yes, and the sunshine is coming through the glass.
It feels warm on my skin, but the ice cream is cold.
Okay, let's try it. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, go! It is so sweet.
Oh, it is so cold. My head feels funny. This chocolate is very rich. I love it.
My strawberry is delicious. I can see real fruit.
Is it very sweet or just a little?
It is just right. Not too much sugar.
Mine is not too sweet either. The nuts help. The cookie pieces are crunchy. It is fun to eat.
How is it more fun? Is it the feeling?
Yes, the ice cream is soft, but the cookies are hard.
That sounds interesting. I want to try it.
Do you want a bite? I have a clean spoon.
Really? Can I? Just a small one?
Yes, of course. Here, try the cookie part.
Thank you. Let me see. Oh, wow, that is really nice. I like the crunch.
Right? The cookies are the best part of this flavor.
Yes, the taste is rich, but not too much.
Can I try your strawberry? It looks very fresh.
Yes, please. Use your clean spoon to take a little.
Thanks. I want to taste the real fruit. This is light and sweet. It is very fresh.
I know, right? It tastes like a real garden. You like sweet and fruity. I like rich and strong.
Yes, we are different, but both are really good.
The ice cream is very smooth. It melts in my mouth.
I think they make it fresh every day. That's the secret.
Oh, is that the secret you mentioned?
No, the real secret is the local farm milk they use.
Local milk? That is why it tastes so different. Let's eat slowly. I do not want to finish too fast.
Good idea. Slow and happy is better than fast.
Look outside. The sun looks a little softer now.
Yes, the light is changing. It is becoming evening.
Time goes fast when we are having fun.
You know, this reminds me of when I was a kid.
Oh, really? What do you remember, Tony?
My father took me for ice cream every Sunday. It was our special time. I always got chocolate.
Of course. You still love chocolate now.
Yes, I have loved chocolate for a long time. What about you? Did you eat ice cream in summer?
Yes, my grandmother bought me strawberry cones. That is why I love strawberry so much now.
Oh, that is a very sweet memory, Diana.
Yes, she is a very kind and special person.
In summer, I really want ice cream every day.
Me too. When it is hot, I feel I need it.
Yes, it is a summer rule for everyone.
Do you eat ice cream in winter too?
Yes, I do. Some people think it is strange.
I do too. A warm room and cold ice cream is nice.
Exactly. Ice cream is good in any season.
That is right. Every season is ice cream season.
Oh, I finished. That was really, really nice.
Me too. My cone is all gone now.
Today was a great day. I really like this shop.
Yes, I like it too. The shop is so cute and bright.
And the staff was very kind to us too.
Yes, very kind. I want to come back again soon.
Me too. Next time, I want to try a different flavor.
Maybe coffee, like you said earlier?
Yes, I am curious now. And you can try mango.
Okay, maybe I will. Mango sounds like summer.
Oh, look, they have seasonal flavors too.
Peach for summer and apple for autumn?
Yes,
Yes, let's do that. A plan for every season. It is still warm outside, but I feel better.
I feel very cool now thanks to the ice cream.
Same here. Ice cream is like magic in summer.
Let's walk home slowly and enjoy the evening.
Thank you for today, Tony. It was fun.
Thank you too, Diana. It was a perfect treat.
The sky is so blue and beautiful today.
Yes, a perfect day with good company. Let's do this again next week.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What is the real secret of this ice cream shop? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this, and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and helpful tips. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!